As you can see, I'm logged into the Bridge to Curriculum. I have so many year-at-a-glances because I like to see all of the grade levels and all of the content areas. One thing I do when I want to look at a certain grade level is I filter it either by grade level or by the content area. What we're going to do is look at the content area ISTE. That's for the technology standards. And we're going to look in the curriculum library to do this. Or I'm sorry, we're going to add and remove years at a glance. Okay, so I'm going to go to the bottom of this page and I'm going to search for ISTE, I-S-T-E. And now it finds those for me. So I'm going to add both of those. I need to go to the top of the page for the all-important save. And now those are going to show up in my years at a glance. So when I go to the home, I go to my filter. For content areas, I can uncheck all, and then I'll be able to check the ISTE content areas. You're going to be matching the ISTE standards to the Jeff code generations, just to see some places that those two have common threads, and wanted to show you where you can find these in our Bridge to the Curriculum. Thank you very much.